This video was made with AI. Can't you see? This is, oh my God. So many of you have been wondering how people create that kind of video that go viral. And you know that video generate a lot of money for people. Honestly speaking, one of my friends just cashed out $1,200 with that particular gorilla video, and football and so many other things. You can generate any kind of video so long as you make your write-up very clear for ChatGPT to generate it for you. But in this video, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about generating short videos from AI free of charge. You are not going to pay anything. People are making dollars. People are making 2,000. People are making 5,000. People are making 20,000 in 1 month. Honestly speaking, I just discovered this thing and I tried it on the other of my YouTube and it went viral. So you can try it also. You can just watch this video, watch till the end. You will see everything you need to know. Don't just feel reluctant. Don't feel that you can start somewhere. Start with free AI. This is just free AI. You don't need to pay any dime. At least if you can use that one to generate like 5 videos a day. Are you getting my point? If you can generate 5 videos a day, 10 videos a day with that AI. And one good thing about it is that if you start using it and you accede to the point they are giving you on that platform, you can change another email. That is a good thing about it. You can change to another email. And once you change to another email, you still continue using another fresh point. So you can create as many email as you want and use it to run your thing and make a lot of videos and put on your YouTube, your status, and everywhere you want to put it on Reels. But people are using it even to grow their YouTube. They're using it to grow their Facebook. They're using it to grow their TikTok. You don't need to stay one place and say you are because you're working, you don't want to do any other job. YouTube is paying.
Okay, this is what.
Okay, let's go there. Let me show you. You just come to your chat GBT, open your chat GBT. These are the things I have already done on this particular chat GBT. That's why you're seeing them. But now I have already described what I wanted to post, but I want to go back and copy so that this video will not be too long. Now I'm copying this one that I've created before. I'm the one that type it. So you can see, you can type anything by yourself. Don't say because you are not intelligent or not. You can type why I'm typing it like this so that you will not be discouraged. Just type anything you want. ChatGPT don't discriminate language. So long as you type it, they will find a way to get it right. So you can see now, this is what I've just typed. If you can still add additional something to make it a black man, because I've created a lot of video with white people. Now I want to make something a black man with gorilla. You get? So I need to add it here now. You can see what will happen. Just do what is you know you can that can go viral, because you can see I post it. Now you can see they have generated, this is different generation, but I'm choosing the one together. I'm not choosing the other one that looks like scenes, that movie scenes. It looks like movie scenes, but I'm choosing this one that looks like, you can see the one I'm choosing now that looks like right up, just a note. This one they will generate it very easily. That's why I'm choosing this one now. They have given me this one. I've copied it. Now let's go to Google to go and look for the app. The name of the app is Free AI Generator. You need to put something like Bing, because some of you, when you type it on phone, it may not bring out exact what you're looking for. But I want you to get exactly what you're looking for when you type the full name. Normally, this is the full name, but you need to put this Bing. Why I'm saying you should put the Bing, because some of you, when you type it, you will not see this. You will not choose exactly the this thing. Some of people that teach you online will not give you these details. You can see it. So long as you put that Bing, this thing will come out. The AI will just come out immediately. It will be in the front. You can see the AI is here, free Bing. You just click it. When you click it, you go straight to the point. That thing you copy it from ChatGPT. You paste it here. You see, you paste it here. It is already there. You can see you don't need to do any other thing once you are here. And I'm having only one this thing. I've already consumed my point, because this place now you need to have more points. It is free. It is free, but if you want to subscribe to a bigger channel, a bigger one, you can subscribe if you have the money. But I'm not subscribing because I generate as many 5 or 10 I want every day. So what is need of me subscribing? I'm only creating short videos. You can see. video in the work. That means the video is in progress. Your video is in progress. Look at the ones I've generated down there. You can see it is very easy. Everybody can do this. Don't say because the thing is generating, it will take like few seconds or 1 minute to generate. But before then, we can still be talking other things, can still be doing other things. Look at the one I generated. I just show you the one I've just generated before with white person. But the one that will generate now that we are still generating, that one is black. It's a black man with gorilla. You see, you can generate depending on what you describe to ChatGPT. This thing is very simple. You can do it. It's not a hey, look at the one, it's already done generating. Look at the one we generated by our with black man. You can see the black people, everybody here is about the gorilla. You see? So it looks so real. This is excellent. You can use it to make a lot of money. Some people are making a lot from this thing. One of my friends made a lot of money from this thing, almost 12. So what you once you get to this point, what you will do is to download it. You can see that particular place that they have arrow by just down. You will see arrow. After that video, you see the arrow. Don't click that one; it will automatically download into your file. That's the only thing. You have not much. You have no much thing to do. Sorry for this thing. You have no Don't much be thing to do. greedy. You can share this video. If you don't share this video, that means you agree that I will not post. You see all these videos you're seeing here now was made with AI. It was created by AI. You see? And with Nami creator, I'm not be saying I buy them or anything. And it looks so real, it's so realistic. It's not like people are not. I have so many YouTube. You see, I know you watch this video, right? One problem you people have is that you don't share videos that will help others. Why? If you see me sharing people Bekus now, or see me talking about Bekus, that is when some of you will start sharing the videos and making shame of that person. But now you are seeing a video that can change lives, a video that can make you have millions, a video that can make your colleague that do not have job or anybody around you, your family member who do not have job to have a job, that would be paying that person dollars, even not minding where the person is or is. You cannot share it. It is not good. It's not good. You need to share this video. You need to make it go viral so that people will understand that you can create some certain realistic AI videos for free. Not you need to pay. You're not paying anything. So why can't you share this video? My name is Brian King. You can share this video, make it go viral so that people will understand that you can make video and make money on YouTube. There is money on YouTube. I've grown so many YouTube pages, YouTube channels, and grow so many pages. And when I grow, I sell. When I grow, I sell. I know how much, how much they sell on YouTube. You can grow your YouTube and sell it. You can grow your YouTube up to 1,000, monetize it, sell it thousands of naira. You can sell it for 100,000, 500,000, just 1,000K views for monetize YouTube channel. You can also do that on Facebook. You can use these videos to make Facebook, grow your Facebook reels. It is very easy, very simple. It's just for you to listen to this video.
Okay, let's get into this. Today, we're looking at a really, well, remarkable life journey. It spans continents, different kinds of work, and reaches right into the heart of a global institution.
Right, and we're